Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I want to share with you some planters that I made, and then Arrtx also sent me some of their acrylic markers to try out. And so let's just get into it. Here's the acrylic marker set that Arrtx sent me. It comes with 60 colors, and according to their website, you can use this on paper, plastic, and canvas, but I'm going to be trying this out on top of resin-crete. For this first project, I'm going to make a camper van planter. I got this mold from Nicole, and I'll link this for you guys down in the description box just in case you want to use the same one. And then to make these planters, I'm going to be using resin-crete. I'm going to start off by measuring out 400 grams of resin-crete powder, and then I'm going to pour in 120 grams of water and mix it all together really well. Now I'm going to pour my resin-crete into my mold, and don't forget to tap on it so that you can get rid of some of the air bubbles. I forgot to do that, so I ended up with a few, but that's okay. Anyways, I'm going to set this aside, and resin-crete works really fast. This will set after about half an hour, and it'll be fully cured after 2.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so it's been about half an hour, so now I'm going to demold this. For the bigger parts of the van, I'm going to paint with acrylic paint, and then for the smaller details, I'm going to use the acrylic markers. I really loved how well the acrylic markers showed up on top of the resin-crete since they're not necessarily made for this, and it was also so much faster than having to use a small paintbrush and worry about accidentally painting the white parts blue. For this next project, I'm going to make a cafe planter. I'm using this cafe mold that I got from Nicole, and so once again, I'm going to be using resin-crete for this project, and I'm going to weigh out 400 grams of the resin-crete powder and then mix in 120 grams of water. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into the mold, and then I'm going to let this set for half an hour.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
It's been about like 40-ish minutes, so now I'm going to demold this, and then I'm going to paint with both acrylic paint and then the acrylic markers. For the floor tiles of this cafe, at first I was only going to paint it one solid color, but then I thought it'd be better to do a couple of different colors on the tiles. Now I'm going to go in with the acrylic markers for the smaller details on this cafe, and you guys, the markers made this so much easier and faster to do, and I also loved how pigmented the markers turned out to be, so I'm definitely going to be using these in a bunch of my future projects. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment, and if you want to try out the Arrtx markers, I will link them down in the description box for you guys, and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!